Hi, how are you? Here I am at the grand opening of the soft launch of Rolling Bear Cabins. We have had a fabulous day here today, and if you can see the cabin in the back here, you'll know what I'm talking about. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see this gorgeous little cabin. It is the cutest. We've had all sorts of comments all day. People have said, oh my God, it looks like Switzerland. It looks like Austria. This is the cutest little cabin I've ever seen. So super cute. Let me just turn it around for you. Hang on. Here we are. I'm going to back it up a bit so you can see. Look how cute this little guy is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gonna walk in the front door. We've got the French doors open. Beautiful deck. Huge deck. Walk into the living room through the French doors. Nice fireplace. Window. Look at the gorgeous ceiling. High ceilings. Beautiful kitchen, built-in desk, stove, dishwasher, farmhouse sink, again, high ceiling. Look at this gorgeous light fixture. Full fridge. That's a ladder that goes up to the loft area. You can use it as a bedroom or you can use it as storage. Again, let's swing around so you can see the living room. Nice big couch area, back out. French doors outside, gorgeous. Sliding barn doors. Inside there is stacking washer and dryer. See if I can just slide this open for you. There you go. You've got your stacking washer and dryer. Absolutely fantastic. Really high quality washer and dryer, room to hang things in there. I'm just doing a really quick tour here. Little sink, toilet, beautiful bathtub, gorgeous rock detailing with rain shower. We had somebody in there, 6'3". He said, I'd have no problem basically having a shower in there. And then we walk into the bedroom. This is a queen size bed in here. Lots of room. I made the bed this morning. Had no trouble making it either. And just walked around the bed, made it, and had absolutely no problem. Felt there was tons of room. Lots of light in here. And over here, we've got the built-in cupboards. Lots of room on either side for clothing. His and her. You can either make this area a desk or leave it as is with a little dresser. But as I say, there's the other wardrobe there as well. And then we've got a door which goes out to the back deck. Oh, somebody's locked it. Oops. There it is. I guess I didn't need to kick that hard. Anyways, beautiful little place. Like I say, gorgeous Rolling Bear Cabins. And just take a walk from the bedroom straight through the house again, through past the bathroom and into the living room. And like I say, look at the beautiful high ceilings. The one thing that people have been saying about this house is that it is very homey. That when they go into the place, that it's just got this tremendous feeling about it. And I would have to agree. When you go into this place, it is so gorgeous and so cute. I'm sure you'll love it too. Anyways, we hope to show you more as we go along. There's going to be the cub, the brown bear, the black bear, the grizzly. We've even had interest on future plans for the grizzly. Then there's the sports cabin, and there's also the floating home. So if this is something that you've been thinking of doing, getting into the tiny homes market, we've also connections with land as well. Let us know what you're up to, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.